I could do my own lashes. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you all how to do your own lash extensions or your DIY lash clusters, whatever. There's a lot of terms for it, but anyway. So I'm starting off with clean lashes. Yes, I have a lash shampoo. It'll be linked down below. And then I also like to use the IMB glue. Now this is the only glue I've ever used. When I tell you this is like beauty supply store glue, and your lashes are not gonna move. They're not gonna come off until you take them off. Like, that's how strong this glue is. It doesn't irritate my eyes or anything. I love this glue. What I like to do is to pour the glue directly into the top because I think it just makes things easier. When you take each cluster from the lash tray, use the tweezers to pull from the bottom of the lash. If you try to pull from the top, your lashes are going to break apart and won't be any good to you. Trust me, I've made that mistake so many times. After getting the lash off the tray, then you put the tweezers on the opposite end or the top of the lash. Scoop the glue onto the lash so that there's a little pile at the base of the cluster, like just a little pile of glue. Now you can actually put it on your lashes. I prefer to start from the outside and work my way to the inside corner of my eye. I lift up my eyelid and put the lash on the bottom of the lash line. Then I press the cluster up with the tweezers for a couple of seconds just to make sure it sticks. You may need to fan your eye a little bit to help the glue dry down, I'm not gonna lie. When putting each cluster on, make sure that you are overlapping with the other one, the previous one. There shouldn't be any space between the clusters, none. That's going to look so bad, you're gonna be mad, okay? Each one you apply should overlap a little bit with the previous one you applied, if that makes sense. So just don't have any space at all between the clusters that you apply. This is a very natural set that I'm doing today because that's how I like my lashes. Even when I used to get them done, I always like them very natural. So that's what we're gonna do. I switch up the lengths of the lashes most of the time, but my typical set is like a 16, 16, 16, 15, 15, 15, 14, 14, 13, 13, 12, 11, give or take. And I never stack them because I like for them to look super natural, but you can definitely stack them for more volume, drama. Like, that's another look in and of itself. Like, it gives more of a statement. So after you do this, just keep repeating the same steps until both eyes are done. This takes me about 15 minutes max, especially since I'm used to doing it now. All of this costs $12. All the supplies, the lash tray, and the glue itself. Also, this lash tray has lasted me 5 months so far, and that's with me constantly having lashes on, and I don't go that long in between my sets. And keep in mind, I still have quite a few sets to still get out of this tray. So when you do the math, it really gets broken down to just a couple dollars per set that you're doing. So it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. When I tell you I 12, 15, 20 out of 10 recommend clusters just because they save so much time and money. So here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe for more. Bye.